Welcome, seekers of the eternal, to a sacred journey into the heart of Chapter 10 of the Tao Te Ching, a luminous chant from the soul of Lao Tzu that resonates like a bell through the stillness of time. Imagine standing at the edge of a tranquil dawn, where the first light dances on a quiet lake, and every breath invites you to unite with the divine within. This is no ordinary moment. This is your call to embrace the transformative wisdom that Lao Tzu shares today. For over 2 millennia, these words have reached out to the divided, the searching, the yearning. Will you open your heart to their sacred call? Join me now as we explore the profound wisdom of Chapter 10, a 15-minute odyssey into unity, inner alchemy, and the eternal harmony within. Subscribe to Lao Tzu Speaks, where the ancient melodies meet the eternal spirit, and let this journey elevate your soul. Breathe deeply, dear friends, for we stand at the threshold of a truth that mends the fragmented heart. Lao Tzu speaks to us from a world torn by the warring states, a time of discord. Yet he offers a path of wholeness, the way of nurturing life and spirit in unison. He begins, can you coax your mind from its wandering and keep to the original oneness? Picture your thoughts as a restless river, scattering in all directions, and imagine gently guiding them back to a single, serene source. This is a spiritual invitation, a call to still the mind and reconnect with the Tao's unity. Lao Tzu urges us to embrace this oneness, to awaken to the peace that lies beneath our scattered desires, a profound step toward inner harmony. Let your spirit settle as we journey further. Can you let your body become supple as a newborn child's? Consider the effortless flexibility of a baby, its body soft and unburdened by tension. The Tao teaches us to release the rigidity of stress and striving, to return to a natural state of ease. This is the logic of the divine, a wisdom that challenges our habit of hardening against life. Lao Tzu invites us to cultivate this suppleness, to let our bodies reflect the Tao's flow. Imagine a willow bending in the breeze, its grace preserving its strength. Such is the Tao, a force that thrives in gentleness, a spiritual call to embody vitality. Pause with me, and let this wisdom flow into your being. Can you cleanse your inner vision until you see nothing but the light? Envision a mind cleared of clutter, its sight purified to perceive the radiant essence of all things. The Tao offers a vision beyond illusion, a light that reveals the unity beneath diversity. This is not a rejection of the world, but a refinement of perception, guiding us to see with the heart. Picture a clear sky after a storm, its brightness illuminating all. Such is the Tao's gift, a clarity that lifts the soul when we let go of judgment. Now, feel the rhythm of this teaching as it guides us deeper. Can you love the people and govern the state without cunning? This is a call to lead with purity, to love without manipulation, to govern with the Tao's natural justice. Lao Tzu asks us to serve others selflessly, to guide without deceit, mirroring the sage's way. Think of a shepherd tending his flock, his care honest and true. Such is the path of the Tao, a leadership that flows from the heart, a spiritual harmony that unites rather than divides. Let us now embrace the practical beauty of this wisdom. In a world of distraction and division, Lao Tzu offers a path to wholeness. Begin each day by stilling your mind. Sit in silence. Guide your thoughts to oneness and feel your center return. Move with flexibility, releasing tension from your body with each breath. See with inner light, letting go of bias as you face the day. Lead or serve without guile, offering kindness without agenda. This is the art of Wu Wei, the effortless alignment with the Tao, like a river merging with the sea, flowing with grace. Each step in the spirit is a prayer, a return to the source of all unity. As we journey inward, consider the deeper mystery. Can you embrace the one and not let go? The Tao is this one, the source from which all arises, and Lao Tzu invites us to hold it in our awareness, to live in its presence. Imagine a dancer moving with a single rhythm, her every step rooted in harmony. Such is the sage's path. This is the logic of the soul, to embrace the eternal, to trust its guidance, and in that trust, to find lasting peace. Now, let your spirit rise with this vision. The Tao's unity is its power, its gentleness, its strength. In our age of separation and strain, Lao Tzu calls us back to wholeness. Be still, he whispers, and let your life reflect the one. This is the ultimate gift. A life unburdened by division, a heart aligned with the eternal. Picture a dawn lake, its surface one with the sky. Every ripple a blessing, such as you, when you live with the Tao's grace, united yet free. As we near the end of this sacred 15 minutes, feel the depth of these words settle into your essence. Chapter 10 is a bridge for the scattered heart, a guide for the soul seeking unity. It teaches us that true strength lies in oneness, true vitality in suppleness, true wisdom in inner light. Carry this light into your day. Let it guide your actions, soften your spirit, and open your eyes to the harmony within. Subscribe to Lao Tzu Speaks, where every video is a step toward the eternal, and join a community of souls awakening to the Tao. May you walk this path with peace, and may the timeless flow of Lao Tzu's teachings illuminate your every step.